video cut out on me. Haha. This is the sign. Your imperfections are what make you beautiful. And there's a star. Fall color schemes were used, red, orange, and yellow. And I just want to tell you that you're perfectly imperfect no matter what. And you're beautiful no matter how imperfect you are. Just want to tell you that. We'll continue on our walk, and I might want to speed this up because it somehow cut out or something. So, try to speed this up as best I can. But we're getting close to the end. We're getting there. But sorry that it cut out. Further down there. Looked kind of pretty. That might have also been where I saw that deer. It was somewhere in the vicinity of this area. Yeah, we're getting close to the end. I'll try to make this a little bit more quicker. Or maybe I'll split this into two parts. The first one being the longest and then this. Figure it out when I get home. And here's another sign. Okay. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Practice self-care, prioritize your health. Yes, it's important to do that because if you're not feeling well mentally or emotionally, it affects you physically. It may be a matter of time, but it does tend to happen. Speaking from experience in the past. So, and one way to help with self-care, taking a walk in the woods, you can't go wrong there. Or being in nature in some way, shape, or form. Some more scenery here. And a birdhouse. We'll go around this way here. Probably could also go down this way, but I want to go this way. This is such a beautiful scene here. Yeah, I think I might split this into two parts. And I also have a short about Domestic Violence Awareness Month. At the front part of the campus, we have a bunch of purple pinwheels. I did a short on that before the NAMI meeting. And if you guys can, you should check it out. Yeah, we're getting close to the end. And another sign, cool. This is a cool little glade here in the distance with those trees in the distance. So, oh, this is an excellent sign. The words anyways. Treat yourself like someone you love. love yourself. You know, if you're one of those types that loves other people, treat yourself the same way. You know, if you would do a random act of kindness for somebody else, do it for yourself as well. I highly encourage you guys to do this. Or if you don't like something that's done to you, don't do it to somebody else. It's kind of a similar concept. So, food for thought today. Oh, somebody left their bandana here. I don't know whose that is, but... Well, guys, I'm at the end of the trail. So I'm at the end of the trail. I hope you guys like this and appreciate this. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.